Alright, a little bit of a update. We're only 1 hour into the flight and they're already serving the meal, which is great. The meal is great. We got beef. We got some veggies. Joy. Yes. And then Marlon is able to get his food because he last time he didn't get because he thinks it's not free. He has to pay for it, but it is free. It's part of the flight. So, yep. We're gonna eat, and then we're gonna see you in Korea. Welcome back. Just wrapping up the day, the last travel of the week update on where we're at right now. We are now currently back to Korea, Incheon terminal, and then we're just now waiting again in the transfer lounge, and then trying to get checked in the transfer hotel, but they're all sold out. These guys wanted to see if they can get a room so they can relax, but they're all sold out. So we were told that we have to come back in an hour to check again and see if anybody would cancel. So we have about an hour from now to just kind of sit tight and just wait until around 10 o'clock or 11, and then we'll go and double check on the availability of the rooms. All right, so that's the update right now. See this right here? This is one thing I like about this place. So there's right now I got a coffee and 2 bottles of water. Guess what? I paid in a dollar amount, but surprisingly it's only $5. I thought she meant like $5 for each of the water bottle, but yeah, it's actually $5 for all 3 of them. So yes, Marlon is right there, and then once again this is the transfer lounge. So if you ever stop by in the Incheon Korean terminal, this is where you wait and just relax. There's down on that side there's a what is it, stretching room, there's massage, there's showers. Oh yeah, you pay $6 to shower. Yeah, $6 to shower in here. And then hold up, I'm trying to, the snack bar is right here, and then behind me is going in this hallway is the nap zone. Anyway, okay, mira, Rosa, Abby, Eva Torricorrea. Hopefully tomorrow, if we're able to, leave the terminal, the airport, we'll go ahead and see if we can get on those transfer tour bus so we can go check out this place. Bye bye. Thank you guys for watching. Those of you who haven't subscribed to our channel, please and help us out. We're trying to reach our 10,000k subscribers. We're roughly about 9,750 going on to 800, but we still need more people so that we can make it to 10k. The rest of you, thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for following us since day one, and then thank you, Guam, for all the beautiful scenery and just your hospitality and your generosity. And that's good. That's kapag Guam. We're very, very happy and grateful that God has allowed us to be on this, to take this journey to go and visit all of you. Gap with Abby Papa, then we are Bob. We are happy as well. All right, thank you guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow or on the next video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as we did. Peace out. Bye bye. So this is the transit hotel right here. So this is going into the rooms, and then we're gonna find out. We're gonna see what this rooms look like. So today we were planning on going on the tour for the transit tour. That's free, but it's already booked. So we decided to just stay at the airport hotel. So this is what it looks like. Oh, there's one. So there's. Forgot you have to.
They're all the same.
So not bad for airport hotel. You got the bed right there, and the toilet, and a small desk. So, yeah, you guys can. All right. You can take this. Oh. Don't lose the key. It's right here. You put the key in there. Get settled, and then we'll get something to you. Huh? Or you just want to sleep for now? Huh? Okay, go ahead. Just put it in there. You guys want to eat now? Just rest? Okay. We checked in at 8 o'clock this morning, and then there's only like, you're only allowed to stay for 6 hours or 12 hours. And so we only chose the 6 hours just because our flight is coming up soon. So yeah, so for 2 rooms it is $132 for 6 hours for 2 rooms, and you got showers and everything. It's good. So if you ever stop by in Korea, it's gonna be in the transit hotel, but you have to make appointments because this thing gets sold out pretty fast. And then down here is the main floor for the terminal. There's 2 terminal 1 and terminal 2, and then all these cosmetic stores are like just all over the place. And then right across there's the restaurant, food court on the other side. So, and then once again the transit tour was not an option for us today, just because it's always busy and it's sold out pretty fast. So we were not able to go on the ride. They do have rides in the afternoon, but it was going to be a conflict to the time of when we'll be leaving here. So maybe next time. Yeah, right. No. There's no next time, because this route from Seattle to here, Korea, it's like 12-hour flight. Only good thing about the flight, 2 free luggage for check-in, so that's good. Now that we come back from Guam, we decided to just check in everything all the way, so we don't have to deal with any carry-on luggage. Alright, we're gonna go eat, and then we'll see you guys later. Starbucks. Last time we arrived at the airport, that's where we stayed, Transfer Lounge. The other one that we were staying at right like this last night was it's on the other side. And we are headed to 246. That's our gate number. And there's another convenience store. That's it. They even have places for little kids to play. We have a Krispy Kreme. Ooh, man. That store is another 24. It's open 24/7 as well. Oh, feeling good today, boys.
They just gave it to me.
That's it. Thank you. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna enjoy this. I thought it was gonna be fancy pho, but what? And that's what mommy's getting. I think I like those ones better. We're gonna eat. This guy changed his food. Picky. He doesn't like the curry chicken. Like this one. Just getting coffee and marsh. What? Back or body?
Like that. Yeah.
Which one are you getting? Oh, this one? Huh?
You want food? Back.
Lower body food. Okay.
Back. Food. What do you want?
Back. I want back. Back. We're gonna try this out. We're gonna try it. Mommy wants to massage. She's bored. Oh my goodness, guys. The massage was good. You know what's funny though? So the lady was trying to break down the knots in the muscles.
My turn.
The knot, right?
My turn. My massage next.
and I just started giggling. I'm so ticklish. I'm like, that's not a thing for me. But this thing is actually good. It's only for 2 people, not bad, for $50. You know, you would think that this terminal or this airport will be charging a lot of, a lot of money, but it's actually cheap. So remember, those 3 bottles of water, it's only $5. And then this massage place is for two people. It's only $50, but their stuff is really good. Whoever came up with this idea of putting this thing here for people traveling, it's a really good idea. Because, you know, you're putting in a lot of flight hours and it's not fun. So yes, thank you Korea for your beautiful airport and, you know, the stuff that you guys offer. There she is. Now you have to drink water. You have to drink the water. Huh?
Belle, you're on camera.
Let me see. Who's that? You look familiar. You look familiar. I think we know you from somewhere.
I think you need to edit that out.
Huh?
Please edit that out.
What did you say?
Shit, edit that out.
Okay.
It's like this.
Bye, Belinda.
Okay, then it's gonna be me.
Bye, Teresa.
Hi, Capra.
Bye. We'll call. We'll see you guys when we get to Seattle. Okay.
Where's the headphones?
Okay.
You guys are not coming back to Guam?
We don't like Guam anymore.
Okay, that's him. That's him, not me.
Guam is too expensive.
I'm not gonna say anything.
Okay. Elston is talking to you.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video, end of our little vacation. I want to thank everyone in this video, shout out to everyone, and just I want to thank God for giving us the opportunity to go visit our family in Guam. I miss you guys, but we'll be back soon. You guys should stay safe. I love y'all. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for cut. Wait. Okay. I just want to thank God for protecting us on our vacation. I want to thank everybody for what do you call it?
Wonderful time.
Yeah, thank everyone for a wonderful time at Guam. That's it.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. I want to say thank you to all my Guam family. Had a good time.
Thank you. What?
What are we doing? Bye.